So as I was explaining, $100 is received and I am sending it to the bank. I can send the entire $100 versus I can send $80, keeping $20 in cash desk. This is cash desk and this is bank. So partial withdrawal, if I say no partial withdrawal allowed, that means every time I have to send the entire amount. I cannot send any partial amount. Okay, so that was the config. No partial withdrawal allowed. If you check that, that means this partial withdrawal is not allowed. Why this partial withdrawal is required in a practical case? Because whenever we collect the, I mean in the kiosk, whenever they collect the money, they may need to return back few changes. Okay, so like 100, say 99 $98 bill, so $2 has to be returned. So for that, this chiller, this change amount is kept with the cash desk. That's why no partial withdrawal allowed is not checked.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay. Okay. Understood. Yeah.
Okay. So first config is done. Next, we have to assign the cash desk clearing account. Now to assign the cash desk clearing account, you cannot directly assign the cash desk clearing account. You have to assign the cash desk clearing account into the payment lot, because cash desk will post ultimately a payment lot document. Okay, so to add a GL into payment lot, you have to come here below and you have to define bank clearing account. So here you have to assign the cash desk clearing account first. After that, you can define the cash desk clearing account. Okay, so come here, define bank clearing account. So you know you came here earlier. So click on new entry 0903, and I should have a cash desk clearing account because I copied. So my company code 0903 should also have a cash desk account. Okay, first one, cash desk account. So I assigned here, it will go to house bank. Again, I can map that ultimately this clearing account will hit the when it will hit the bank account, which bank and which ADID it will hit, I can mention here. Right now I have only one bank account, so all item I have to send it to this house bank, this account. But in production, in real project, you'll see multiple bank accounts. The company will have multiple house bank or one house bank with multiple account ID. Okay, so I can establish the connectivity that first I'll record here, then I'll send it to this house bank and this account ID. Okay, so this is configured. Okay, sorry, it is allowed for payment lot because it is going to post the payment lot. So first you do this, then go back to cash desk, define cash desk clearing account. Come here, new entry 0903, for which payment you want to do. Cash payment, check payment, card payment, account maintenance, I put it start. That means for all payment I will do. My cash desk clearing account is 0903. Only those two accounts will be shown. This is my already US bank account and this is the account I just added, cash desk clearing account. Okay, save. Next, define document type for payment category. Now document type I have to assign. Click on, I can copy also, I can create new entry, company code 0903, payment category. So we activated star, that means it is valid for all. So right now for cash payment I'm just choosing. For cash payment, Which document type am I going to use? I have a document type called CD, cache disk. I'll put the cached CD document type. That means from the FPL line, I understand, okay, these payments were collected via cache disk. Save. Back. Define short act. This is not required, I guess. This is not required.
Suppose here
Mhm.
payment type is for the security, then it would be also same document type.
Yes, security deposit is received, then also it will go to CD. Okay. So if the security deposit payment is collected via FP05, it will go to IP as per our config. If it is collected via payment run FPY1, it will go to document type will be DD. And if it is collected via cache disk, it will be CD. Okay, as per our current config. Understood? To identify security deposit payment, we have another feature. When I go there, I'll show you. Okay. It is not identified via document type. Document payment document type refers to via which channel we have received. Is it customer initiated payment, business initiated payment? If we within customer initiated payment, is it cash disk or payment lot? Okay. Next, did I answer your question, Rishi?
Yes, yes, yes. Got it.
Okay. Next is define master data. Now here I have to create the master data. What is the master data? This is the master data, like uh, branch, and each branch will have how many cache disks. So I know I have used NY. So do I have a NY? Yes, I do. So let me do 9 NY because 0903 9 NY. Do I have this? No, I don't. So 9 NY is a branch which will have cache disk N1, again 9 NY with N2, 9 NY with N3. Next branch we decided Austin. So I think I'll call it Texas. 9TX, 9TX, T1, T2. Like that, we can keep on going. So you will have to ask the business what is their current design. Accordingly, you can create the branches. Okay, I'm just going with this 5 combination. The office name is 0903 New York, and 0903 Texas. Cache disk name is New York 1, 2, 3, and this is Texas 1. Okay, just imaginary. I have created a real project. When you get, you'll see. If it is already live, you come here and see how is it designed. Or maybe if you want to create, you'll ask business uh, that how is it designed currently. Accordingly, you will configure in the system. Next, define expense revenue differences from cash payment. Now here, if it does not reconcile, I have to assign the difference to a particular GL. For that, I will assign the GL here. Okay, it can be expense GL, it can be revenue GL. uh, Let me copy from maybe 411. So I'll just click on single copy. So for each branch I will assign. So I have two branch. First is 9NY, 9NY, and my cash days clearing account is this one only. Okay, sorry, company code is 0903. This is my cash days clearing account for 0903. Okay, so let me create this GL account real quick. CD differential slash O FS00. I can create any GL and assign here. Since I'm copying, it's a profit and loss account. Since I'm copying, I'm just I'll copy from a 7 series CL, interest expense. Copy CD differentials. Okay, it is copied. I don't have to. So this is done. Save. Again, for 9TX branch as well. 9TX. Same GL account. Okay, save. This is only used whenever it does not reconcile. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to show you a scenario where it will not reconcile, because else the functionality will not be, I mean, will remain left. Now here I will now deposit and withdraw. So ultimately, as I told, it will hit the bank account. So that information I'll share here. 0903. I have two branch. First I have 9NY. Both of them are having same cash desk clearing account 111 000. I'll withdraw or deposit into which bank account? I have only one bank account right now, which is 114, I think. AIG American. Oh, sorry. Is this our bank account? 114 was what? US Bank NA. Hang on. Let me see what is my bank account. Lasho FI12. This is the bank where we are collecting all the money. That is for payment lot, payment run. Here only I am collecting. Okay, so yeah. Here I am going to store. When I transfer, it will hit this bank account. This GL will be given to you by the FI team or treasury team. You don't have to worry. You will tell them that, hey, give me a cash desk clearing account and give me a bank account. If they want to have more details, they know what is cash desk, because cash desk, cash channel is also used in FI as well. Okay, even it is mostly used in FI. It is more used in FI, because FICA to maybe 30% of the companies will implement FICA, and out of those 30%, maybe say 50% or maybe 40% people will go use cash desk. So they will know this better than us. Okay, save. Similarly for NTX, I'm going to create another. I'll just copy NTX here also, this one. Okay, so I think our cache desk config is done. This is authorization. So if there is any error, it will tell me and we will fix it. Okay, so let's collect money using cash desk. For that, before that, I have to post some open receivables, because via direct debit all our open items are cleared already. So I must post some open items. So real quick, I'll post few. FPE1, new contract. Let me post. And one in the old contract as well. Okay, now cache desk. We'll start the cache desk operation. Go to FPCJT code. Okay, this is the main screen of cache journal. Now cache journal, I told you cache journal is for internal transactions only. Cash to bank, bank to cash. This is cache journal. To collect money from customer, we have to go to cache desk. So we'll go to cache desk. Before that, we will start with our branch and our cache desk. Okay, so red means this is closed. So the day starts, the CSR will go to other cache desk, and our cache desk is 9NY. 9NY. Okay, so say 9NY New York branch. Okay, let's go with N3 only. Okay, any branch, whatever branch, they have to parallelly maintain. So different customer from different kiosk guy will tell, and he has to centrally record. If they have single person, he will tell, okay, you're calling from which kiosk? 91. sorry, which branch and which kiosk, N3. Accordingly, he will open and he will post. Okay, so I'm not going to record all the transaction in 5 different cache disks. I'm going to record the transactions into 2 cache disks. One to show happy path, that is it gets reconciled, and the other one to show sad path. I mean, where we don't, it does not reconcile, because I need to show you what happens when it does not reconcile, because I have assigned the GL. Okay, so it does not reconcile, it may happen maybe once in a month, but I'm just showing you, because the config we have done, we need to check whether our config is working perfectly. So for example, say we start with N3. I am in the front desk, I am waiting, and the N3 guy says that, hey, I have received some payment. So I will open the N3, I'll go to cache desk and I will open it. It is green, it is red. Okay, it is not open yet. Now I'm going to open. Cache test N3 successfully opened. Then I will go to cache test, because cache journal does not, it is for internal. So collection means collection from customer. I'll go to cache test. This is the cache test screen. It says post payment in. Okay, we have cash payment, check payment. Okay, so all the required entries are not there. That's why I cannot go to another tab. Anyways, now say the customer, it says that payment receipt for customer, old customer. Okay, so I'll enter the currency 0903 company code. Okay, now payment is received. I will select the contact account. My contact account is old contact account means I know the number 300,016 old contact account. Now how much payment is received? Say payment of $40 is received. $40. And here I can write some text, say N3 kiosk at 11:30 a.m. Anything I can mention here, and with that I can directly post, or I can go for open item. I can assign the payment against open item. So I go to select items. Value date is not required, so I'll just remove the value date. Go to select items. I will see I have one open item. I mean, I just posted one open item each. In real project, I mean, there can be multiple open items. So I see this is open. I'll select, I'll activate, and I'll assign 40 here. Okay, 40 assigned. I'll come back. Okay, things are fine. And we mentioned that display cache test clearing account. So cache test clearing account is displayed here. Okay, so we did some config and all. So cache test clearing account is displayed here. Incoming payment. This is, now things are fine. I am going to post. So post or post online, both of them will behave the same. So let me click on post. Payment is posted under document number this. Select and click on display document. This is the document type CD. Cash test account debit, business partner is credited, $40. Okay, so if I go to the FPL9, I want to make sure that it is not clear. Is it like, I think it is, yeah, it is cleared account. I mean, it has cleared. Let me see whether the open item is partially cleared or not. /o FPL9, because I have entered the reference, the payment against the reference of the open item. $40 CD, DD, CD. Yeah. So 1028 is the clearing document, and this is the document number. 1028 okay, so this is the original document number 90414. I'll select and I will click on this find. So you see the 123.60 total invoice, 40 part is cleared and the 83 part is open. If I enter the 40 part, I'll go to the clearing information. It says incoming payment, expand the clearing data. I will see 1028 is the payment document. This is the CD payment document. Now so it has cleared. Now in the payment document, you see it is actually nothing but a payment lot. And this is the payment lot number. How the number is assigned? It is N. This is the branch concatenated with the sorry, yeah, branch concatenated with the cache disk followed by few zeros till it ends the entire, whatever, till how many it can accommodate. If I click on payment lot, this is the payment lot. You know the screen, posting text N3 kiosk 1130. This is the document number. Okay. If you want to see the payment lot, it is different payment lot /o fp05. You go there, click on enter. It says lot for payments using cache disk. It is not the normal payment lot. Reserved lot, no manual entry permitted. Cash payment via cash channel N3. So you cannot add more payments to it. It is not manual FP05. It is created via cache disk. You go inside. This is item number 1. So if I next I'm going to post another payment, it will create item number 2. Till the cache disk, it says lot open for cache. Till I close the cache disk, more items will be accumulated here. Okay, right now I have not closed the cache disk. I have just received the first payment. Why the document type says 53? 53, 53, 50. Okay, cache disk check payment. I think some config is there. I have not gone through. But anyways, my FICA document, if I open the FICA document, it has taken the desired document type, that is CD. This is what I configured. I will check why 53 has taken. Okay, so first payment is collected using cache disk. Now I will go back to cache disk again. Go back. Okay. Can I print receipt? I think I think I did not check it. Let me try, because I have not tried this. Maintain specification, automatic printing of receipt, confirm print, and I will print option for special posting. Okay, save. Let me receive another payment and I will see, can it, does it ask for a confirmation or something? Okay, anyway, so one payment is received again for, now I'm going to receive payment against a new business partner. Okay, so for old partner I have received. Now I have one more BP, or one more CA. So let's collect one more payment. Now I'm going to collect say $20, this time against the new business partner. The problem is new business partner number I could not recall. Let me check the new business partner number /n FPL9. Sorry, it's not appearing. Okay, let me try this way. FPE1. Good. This is the new. Oops. New CA. Let's collect money against the new CA. Cash disk. Where is cash disk? Against this CA. Again, I'll go to select items. Out of 61, let's collect, select and activate. Let's collect the entire amount. I mean, it's not with us. The kiosk agent will tell me how much money is received. Say the kiosk agent says that entire amount is received. Okay. So 61, I will go back. I'll just change it to 61.80. Okay. Because I started with 20, this will not match. Now it is matched. Again, I'll add some, okay, payment on account. It is not payment on account. Say exact payment and post online. Again it is posted. So click on display document. Okay, this has hit the new CA, and here you will see same payment lot but item number 2. As I told you, the item number will keep on increasing as long as I close the till I close the cache text. The item number will keep on increasing. Okay, so 2 payments are collected and it must have cleared. So because in the cleared item I can see. Now let's try to print receipt. Yes, it is asking print receipt payment doc. I say yes. Okay, I don't know whether the config is done. LP01 output device. This is a payment document number, I think 1029. Internal main transaction could not be found. Internal main all internal main transaction used for printing. Why is it asking for main transaction? Internal main transaction could used can be found in table this. Actual transactions are allocated to internal transaction via table this. Internal transaction used here could not determine. Let me quickly check. I have never come this, I mean open this, explore this area. /n is M30. And maintenance dialog not of not available. AC16N internal main transaction. Fine. What is my cache disk? Do I have a cache disk internal main transaction? I don't have. I don't have cache disk. Anything saying cache disk? And what about the second table? Allocation in table /OSC16N. Assignment of internal transaction to external transaction. Oh, I think this is our. I think we have assigned 006010. This one we have assigned till now. We will assign more. So first the internal transaction should be there. Okay. Anyways, I'll check on this error. I have not printed before. Anyways, no contract was generated. Object print was successful. No contract was generated. Let me check. Is the print successful? /n sp01. Did it create a spool? No. /n ac16n dfkkcoh cache disk. Cache receipt. Cache disk closing. Cache disk deposit interest. Cache channel. Okay. Anyways, I'll not spend time on this. So two payment is collected. Now I'll collect one more payment. This time I'll collect payment on account. Okay. So my older CS still have some open item left. So I will just check this. This will ensure that the payment is payment on account. Okay. So payment on account, say $10 payment. Payment on account, you don't have to go to select item because I'm not going to assign this payment to any open item. This is simply like what do I say? Normal. It is not with reference to any invoice. Okay. Post online. Again, document posted. So three payment is posted. Three payment is posted. Now I will go back to cash journal. I go back to cash channel. I came. Now I want to see my balance. Total how much payment have we received? 111.80. Okay, the three payment that I posted total 111.80. These, so same lot number, it has three items. $40 first, 61.80 second, and finally $10. Three payment is received. First one and third one belongs to the previous. So the third one, if you open, you see it says post on account. Okay. The other one not post on account. The first one is also not post on account because it is against payment. So you'll see the difference. So this see this document. It has summarized GL account and cleared item. It does not have a VP item. Versus if I go to the last item, it has proper BP item, proper GL item. Okay, so we have seen the payment on account. Anyways, from here you will see, okay, total today I have collected 111.80 balance. That's fine. Now suppose I want to withdraw some amount. Okay, post withdrawal out of 111.80, I want to withdraw say $40. I click on post withdrawal. Okay, partial withdrawal we have allowed, company code 0903, hit enter. Out of 111.80, how much do I want to withdraw? Select, and you enter the amount here, how much I want to withdraw. Say I want to withdraw 30, sorry, activate, and I want to withdraw say 11,80. Okay, and click on continue, then post. Now withdrawal posted. Select, click on display document, see it is GL to GL. Cash desk is credited, bank account is debited. That means it is reduced, it has reduced the balance of cash desk with 11.80, and it has increased the balance of US bank account with 11.80. Okay, so wherever it is debited, that account, I mean, wherever it is added, that account will be debited, and from wherever it is deducted, that will have the credit balance. Okay, so now if I want to see my cash desk balance, so here you see customer is not involved because I posted this transaction from cash journal, not from cash desk. If you record any transaction from cash journal, it will not hit the customer. Okay, GL to GL transaction. Now I will go back, I'll check the balance again. The balance is now 100. How come? I had 111.80. Out of that, I withdrew 11.80. Okay, so my balance is 100 now. Ideally they will not do that, but I'm just showing the features we have configured to ensure that uh, it is available throughout. During the middle of the day, they generally do not withdraw. That is not a business case, but I'm just showing whether my config is working fine or not. Similarly, I can also post deposit. That means this time from bank I will put money into, I mean, withdraw from bank and deposit into my cash desk kiosk. This is the ulta scenario, the reverse scenario. Okay, so I can put any text, say deposit. How much I want to deposit? I have $100 in my cash desk. Say I want to deposit $20. Okay, continue. Okay, not permitted, sorry. Continue and post. Document posted. This is the ulta. Here I expect my cash desk will be debited and bank will be credited because it will increase the cash desk balance and reduce the bank balance. Select and display document. So cash desk is debited and bank is credited. That means my cash desk has become 100 plus 20. When I check the balance now, it will show me 120. Okay, so let's validate, go back. These transaction will not be shown in the FPL9 because it does not impact any customer. Okay, this is just GL to GL. Cash balance 120. How 120? You can see the breakup. We collected 111.80. We withdrew 11.80. Then we deposited $20. Okay, all good. So we have seen all the different feature. We went through all the rides in the fair. Now let's come out. That means now I'm going to close the cash desk. So cash
It was
desk,
like
I
a 50 process, I think.
sorry,
Not in that sense. It was kind of every 50 process, kind of, can we
F,
say?
FB50.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
No, no,
yes,
I'm
GL to
just,
G.
yeah, just saying, not.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, whatever feature we have, I have shown. There is no more rides left. All the rides you have, gone through. Now let's exit the fair. So exit the fair means we will close the cache disk. Now we can close the cache disk with reconciled way, happy path, or we can say it is not reconciling. So I will show you not reconciling. Ideally, it will reconcile, but I will show you first. I will show you not reconciling. Then I'll show you reconciling. Okay. So first I have to see my balance. How much is my balance? 120. Now let's close the cash desk with say 123. Okay, 123 means there is a profit because we have posted payments worth 120 in SAP, but we realize that actual collection is $3 more. Okay, so right now you'll see you will see that it is red. The entire amount is appearing in the difference, and I will, so it is open with difference. The current status is saying open with difference. Now before closing, I'm going to post difference. Here I'll tell you, I'll tell the system, select the line, balance is 120, I'll activate. If I close with 120, click on continue and post, we are good. I mean, we should not come here in the post difference, but I want to show you difference. Say I have received 122. That means this is the reconciliation statement, the file they are sending, the kiosk at the end, they are sending that the actual collection is 122. Now with that, I continue and I click on post. The $2 will go to the revenue account. Profit, it will be credited. Cash desk debit, and the 7 series GL that we configured will be credited. Let's see the document number. Cash desk debit, cash desk differential 7 series. Remember, I copied and created. The $2 went as a profit because uh, the bank, the kiosk is a source of truth. Whatever figure kiosk will send me, I will post that into my SAP. It is not vice versa. Like whatever figure I have, I will not tell the kiosk to adjust in their system. I have to adjust in my system in SAP. Okay, so $2 is posted. Now I can peacefully close the cash desk. See, difference posted $2. Still it is red because I have not closed. Okay, so 122 entire amount is in difference. Now I'm going to close. Closing. Yes, it says closed with difference because $2. If I would have closed, it would have said closed with no difference. Cash desk is closed. Now I come back. I want to check the balance. No. Post deposit, post, all the rights are closed. Nothing you can, because you have exited. Okay, that is that. I mean, the door. It is now closed. Again tomorrow morning, the CSR will come. The kiosk guy will open the shutter. He will sit on his boring job. He will collect the money and he will call the front desk agent. Hey, I have collected this much, and you record. Okay, so what I learned from Suman, he mentioned that in that Himachal Pradesh project, what they used to do, once they close the cash desk, on the very next day when they open the cash desk, so on the next day, say today is 7th of April, tomorrow, I mean Sunday, he will open the cash desk, and whatever balance is available in the cash desk, this amount they will deposit into bank. That was their practice. That entire last day's collection they will transfer to bank, full amount. Okay, so they will just post deposit entire amount, 122 amount they will continue, and they will post. Select display document. So cash desk, shit, I did ulta. I should have selected the post withdrawal. My cash desk is debited means I just, I mean, it's like I took from the bank and deposit into cash desk, but I should have clicked on withdrawal. Okay, so my cash desk balance will be now doubled. My bad, sorry. My balance is 244. My intention was to, I should have clicked on post withdrawal. Okay, anyways, now I'm doing. So entire amount on the very next date, they will withdraw. That is, select, activate, 244, continue, post. Okay, so entire amount they will withdraw. That is, yesterday's collection will not be clubbed with today's collection, so that they will, when they start, they will have zero balance in the cash desk, and they'll start afresh. They'll again go to cash desk and they'll collect the money. Okay, so they want to keep clean, no overlapping opening balance coming to the next day. This is that Himachal Pradesh. They are currently, this is how they do. Suman told me that, I think he was a manager in that project. He mentioned that this is how they, run the operation. Okay, so you can deposit, sorry, you can withdraw every day, or maybe every Friday, every fortnightly, every weekly, every monthly. Anyway, you can withdraw, or if you want to withdraw daily, then um, it is every day you start with a clean slate.